This is a 2022 BMW K1600 B. The B is for bagger. This is BMW's hot rod bagger. One incredible sport touring bike. This baby has a 1600cc engine, 6-cylinder, pumps out about 160 horse and about 120 something foot-pounds of torque with a 6-speed transmission. This baby can haul the mail in comfort. I've ridden several of these across country, and they are just an incredible touring bike. And then you can take it out into the Twisties and run with the best of them. Now the color of this K1600B is Manhattan Matte Metallic. It's kind of a bronze color that is matte, but at the same time, it's a metallic. Leave it to BMW how to do that, but it is an incredible, incredible color. Built for comfort and speed. Nice big dual heated seat, great passenger seat. The WUNDERLICH passenger backrest has been added along with their luggage rack. You can put a really nice tea bag on this and really pack a lot of gear and have a great trip. Big LED taillights, gives you really good visibility from the rear. Over 6-gallon fuel tank. Nice aircraft style door there. Fuel door. Heated grips, adjustable levers. Nice big digital screen. Electric windshield. What's really slick about the windshield is once you get it set to where you like it, turn the bike off, it retracts itself automatically, and when you start the bike, it goes back to where the last setting was. So you don't have to fiddle with it again. Adaptive headlights, driving lights, Brembo brakes. Now this 1600B has 1,867 miles on the odometer. This bike is not even remotely broke in. It's in just excellent condition. Beautiful bike. Has the quick shift, so you can go up through the gears without having to use the clutch, as long as you have the throttle on. Hill start, reverse. Underneath these highway peg floorboards is the engine guard. There's the controls for the passenger's heated seat, and the other controls for the rider's seat and the hand grips are all in the menu. And this wheel, you can scroll through the menu and use it basically as an enter button. Of course, cruise control. Just an incredible sport touring bike. It has several performance modes: rain mode, cruise, road, dynamic. I mean, just you can set this bike up to do just about anything you want to do. If you want to just run the interstate all day at 100, set the cruise, and away you go. Or if you live in the Twisties like we do here in the Ozarks, put it into your dynamic sport mode and just haul the mail. Have a great time with this bike. Give you an idea of what the screen looks like here. There's your mileage, 1867. Now, if you're in the market for an incredible sport touring machine, something that you can take a long trip on comfortably and safely, or something you want to go out at the same time and rip the twisties, take a good look at this 22 K1600B. An incredible color, super low miles, all the factory options on it. For information on how to put this beauty in your garage, please give Will a call at Dream Cycles USA. Can be reached at 417-343-3696. Can be found on the web at www.dreamcyclesusa.com. Give us a call. Our prices are out the door. We don't charge what I call the mystery fees. No dock fees and title fees and freight fees and setup fees and all that hooey. Just a good, honest price. Comes with a 30-day temp tag, so drive in, ride at home, trailer at home, fly in. We'll pick you up at the airport and ride this beauty home. Give us a call. Thanks for watching our video.